Hey everyone, welcome to Crosstown Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram. I have a special guest here. We got Devin. He's the accessories specialist here. We're gonna do an unboxing for you of the new 2-inch lift kit for the Jeep JL, the brand new Jeep just straight from Mopar. Yeah, let Devin take it away here.
All right, well, they send it in this like gorgeous crate that actually everybody wants this thing. Whenever it shows up here, we always people wanting the crates. It's all labeled Jeep performance parts. All right, well, let's see what we got in here. Cardboard, that's an important part of the lift kit. All right, so it looks like we got 2 front control arms that they switch out. Instructions, comes with a Jeep performance badge to put on the Jeep. This kit isn't a spacer kit, it replaces the coils. So you got new coils all the way around. Right from Jeep engineering, like Mopar engineering. New cradles for the coils, stabilizer links, bump stops, probably rear stabilizer links, bump stop relocation brackets. And the big thing about this kit has 4-Fox shock, right from Mopar, so. Big.
Oh, sweet.
So we got 4 of these. And there we go. So with all that, it's gonna be able to lift up this Jeep 2 inches and fit 35-inch tires on it. So we're gonna get working on it. And there you have it. We've taken our 2018 Wrangler GL, we've now installed the Mopar 2-inch lift kit on it, complete with the Fox shocks. We've also then added the Pro Comp 17-inch wheels and 35-inch Goodyear DuraTrack tires. And to dress up the outside, we've added Mopar's stylish new fuel door, which is brushed chrome and black. To accommodate the oversized spare tire, we now used Mopar's rear door reinforcement bracket and spare tire relocation kit. This allows us to fit the 35-inch tire on the back bare tire carrier and still clear the bumper. And we didn't forget about the interior as well. We added the Mopar grab handles, the new Mopar molded all-weather floor liners, and protect the doors from scratches and scuffs getting in. We have the door sill protectors with the Wrangler logo on it. So there you have it. We've installed the Mopar 2-inch lift. We did the wheels, tires, and a few other accessories. It's just kind of some of the stuff that we can do here at Crosstown Customs. You want to come down and check out this JL in the showroom today because it's not going to be here long. And for more information, you can always check out our website.